Hi, my name is Lindsay Beat, and I'm the Director of Recruiting for Voiland College of Engineering and Architecture at WSU. I'm really excited that you're interested in learning more about one of the 15 undergraduate degree programs that we offer through one of our 5 departments in VCEA. We're really proud of what our students, faculty, staff, and alumni are doing and hope that you decide to join the Coug family as a student in Voiland College of Engineering and Architecture. Some quick facts, but first, a few pictures. Pullman is really beautiful and you get all 4 seasons in Pullman. So no matter what time of year that you're here, it's just beautiful. When you're on campus, you really forget that you're in this quiet rural community because there's so much going on across campus. From the performing arts to sport clubs to recreation, academics, research, you name it, we have it. WSU was established in 1890, and we now have 6 campuses in Pullman, Spokane, the Tri-Cities, Vancouver, Everett, and our global community. We offer a variety of engineering and computer science programs at each of the campuses, with the exception of Spokane, and our Pullman campus offers 15 undergraduate programs. In fall of 2020, our enrollment for our freshman class was just over 5,000 students. You can see that a large majority of our students are in-state, and about a third of them identify as first generation, Pell eligible, students of color, and almost a quarter of our freshman class identify as female. Our students are unique and driven, really excited and passionate about what they're doing, what they're learning, and they're truly doing some of the most amazing things. And just a quick note, you'll hear throughout the presentation, you'll hear me say VCEA or SDC. VCEA is just our acronym for Voiland College of Engineering and Architecture, and SDC is our acronym for the School of Design and Construction. So before we get started, I want to show a few recent headlines showcasing the incredible work that our college is doing in every department. This is such an incredible small snapshot of what we, and by we, our faculty and students, are doing in each department and every single discipline that we offer. Not only are our faculty and our students, both undergraduate and graduate students, in the forefront of their respective fields and industries, they're collaborating with experts across a variety of industries and disciplines, everywhere from the Department of Energy to working with the state of Washington, to working on leading the National Artificial Intelligence Research Institute for Agriculture. We're doing a lot of amazing things, and it's really our students and our faculty that are leading the way. So Voiland College of Engineering and Architecture is comprised of 5 schools or departments. These are the Jean and Linda Voiland School of Chemical Engineering and Bioengineering, the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, Mechanical and Materials Engineering, and the School of Design and Construction. From these 5 schools or departments, we offer 15 different degree programs. 11 of them fall under our engineering or computer science degrees, and 4 of them fall under our School of Design and Construction. All of our degrees are Bachelors of Science, and all of our engineering and computer science programs are direct admits. This means for those of you interested in any of those programs, you have a spot in one of these majors once you've been accepted into WSU, and provided that you place and enroll in Math 171 in your first semester or have an AP Calculus score of 2 or higher. Our Bio E and Chem E students must also enroll in Chem 105 or have an equivalent credit earned. All of our SDC deadlines and requirements are listed on our SDC website, or you can send me an email with any questions. Our goal is to help you be successful in your academic career as an undergraduate student and in life post degree, whether that means helping you find and land the job of your dreams or helping you prepare academically for graduate school. And we do this through a variety of services offered by our VCA Student Success Team. These include academic advising, entrepreneurial opportunities, internships, and career services, our maker spaces, mentoring opportunities, scholarships, student clubs, and tutoring. Academic advising is essential to your academic success, whether you're wanting to graduate in 4 years, which yes, it's possible, but you're going to need that academic advisor. Or if you're wanting to graduate in 4.5 or 5 years, our academic advisors are key to all of that. Are you a Running Start student taking AP credit, maybe dually enrolled or transferring in? Maybe you're just curious about if you're taking the right courses in high school and want to be prepared for day one. Reach out to an academic advisor from any of the programs that you're interested in. Ask. I strongly encourage this. They're really willing to help you out because we, again, want to see you successful in your academic endeavors. The Harold Frank Engineering Entrepreneurship Opportunity or Institute is an opportunity for juniors and seniors in engineering, communication, and business who are interested in technological entrepreneurship. It's a 3-semester program where these students are engaging in a variety of classes, activities, and industry field trips. And they're able to network and visit places such as Google, Tesla, Alta Devices, Facebook, Bloom Research, and more. It's really an incredible and unique program, and I'd really encourage you to look forward to it in your junior and senior years. So keep your ears out as you jump onto campus. Our career services and internship office is really unique to our college VCEA because we are the only college on campus to have our own dedicated career services and internship office. This is incredible for our students because our director has established and maintains personal relationships with over 500 employers. It is our goal to help you land that dream internship or that dream job. And we do that through also providing opportunities for you to find jobs on campus. In 2019, we offered over 115 industry-sponsored recruitment events for our engineering and SDC students. And there were 72 career prep workshops for these. That includes resume workshops, mock interviews, etiquette dinner, and more. On average, 80% of our graduates have secured employment by the time they graduate. This is just a small snapshot of who our graduates work for. They're really working everywhere you could possibly think of, from Washington to Florida and New York to California. We have graduates everywhere and worldwide. We're really, really proud of what our career services and internship office has done for our undergraduate students. So our maker spaces is also another opportunity for our VCA students, and these spaces are actually open to all students in all disciplines from across campus. It's where your ideas and your dreams and your designs really come to life. It's that hands-on opportunity to connect your academics with real life. You're trained on how to use all of these spaces and the equipment in them, and then you're free to use them for school, clubs, or maybe just for fun. You can bring your own materials or purchase them from us low cost. And you can create anything from skateboards to guitars or 3D print, almost anything you could think of. The opportunities and ideas truly are endless. We offer a number of mentoring opportunities, from faculty mentorship, which is available for all of our students. They can help you with academics, research, networking, and give you some career guidance as well. We know that peer-to-peer mentorship is also really important, especially for our incoming students. So we connect all first-year students with an experienced undergraduate students to help you transition into college. In addition, we offer the Society of Women Engineers, which helps connect our freshman engineering students with a practicing woman engineer. And we offer the Boeing Scholars Program, which is a multidisciplinary program for 12 students, 4 of whom are from VCEA, and they're paired with a mentor from Boeing. Scholarships. We offer a ton of opportunities for scholarships. Within VCEA, last year we awarded over 840 scholarships in 2020, totaling over $1.7 million. We award over 300 Dean scholarships each fall to incoming freshmen and transfer students. And on average, these tend to be about $3,000 per award recipient. And to be eligible for this, you must complete the WSU General Scholarship application by January 31st, which means you need to apply for WSU by January 31st. In addition to our freshmen and transfer students, we offer additional scholarship opportunities through the LSAMP Research Award, which is the Louis Stokes Alliance for Minority Participation. And that's our mission to help bridge the gap for underrepresented students in STEM. We also have students who have been awarded scholarships through the Washington State Opportunity Scholarship, various WSU scholarships, and our departmental scholarships are awarded often at the junior and senior level, and it's a mix of merit and need-based award. Our academic advisors are a key point of contact to getting this information. VCA has over 40 student clubs and organizations that range from social to academic and professional clubs, and for students in all of our departments and all of our majors. A large majority of our VCA students are part of at least one VCA club, if not sometimes more, and many are involved in a variety of other student clubs and organizations across campus, including social and athletic organizations such as Greek life, band, and sport clubs. Within VCA, these are just a few that we have, everything from a 3D printing club to an aerospace club to Cougs in Space and Crimson Robotics. We have Girls Who Code, Engineers Without Borders. We have NSBE, our National Society of Black Engineers, SOLES, our Society of Latinx Engineers and Scientists, and our Society of Women Engineers. Again, this is just a snapshot of our student-led clubs and organizations. We also offer tutoring. All of our tutoring are peer-to-peer. We know that learning from peers can oftentimes be more exciting, a little bit more comfortable to learn and go ask questions. So all, again, of our tutoring services are peer-to-peer. All of our tutors are certified tutors, and we provide over 1,000 tutoring sessions per year. They're available for all of our engineering, computer science, construction, and construction management disciplines. We also offer additional tutoring in physics 201, 202, and we offer a calculus series. In addition to our VCEA tutoring, there are tons of free tutoring resources across campus because, again, it is our goal to help you be successful as possible in your academic career. And so we want to help you however we can. So let's talk about some of those academic undergraduate programs that we offer in VCEA. In chemical engineering and bioengineering. So what is this? Chemical engineering is the application of chemistry in order to carry out various processes that produce a desirable product. And what is bioengineering? Bioengineering uses engineering principles to solve problems in the human body, animal, and plants at the very basic levels. We offer 2 degrees through this program. And some careers you might find in chemical engineering or bioengineering might be in nuclear power, plastics and packaging, pharmaceuticals, processing engineer, product development, and again, pharmaceuticals for both chemical and bioengineering. The opportunities are endless. And again, the research is available for you to do what you want. In our civil and environmental engineering department, we offer, well, C is really our civil engineers and environmental engineers are the people who are literally building the world around us. So if you take a look around, civil and environmental engineers have been there and have had a hand on the space that you are in. We offer 2 degrees, but the civil engineering has 4 specializations or concentrations in environmental engineering, infrastructure engineering, structural engineering, and water resource engineering. And our construction engineering degree, we have 4 specializations: environmental facilities, foundations and heavy civil, infrastructure, pavement, and structures. Some careers in civil and environmental engineering might be a structural engineer, transportation engineer, geotechnical engineers. Again, these students are everywhere you could possibly think of. City planning, big cities, small cities, large scale, small scale, there's a civil engineer somewhere around. In our electrical engineering and computer science department, this is all of the majors that are centered around all things hardware and software related. These programs have world-class faculties and are consistently ranked as one of the best in the nation. Our EECS degrees that we offer are computer engineering, computer science, data analytics, electrical engineering, and software engineering. So our computer science, we have 3 specializations: embedded systems, operating systems, and firmware and hardware design. And then our computer science, we offer the BS or BA track. The BS track is going to be more of our traditional computer science degree, and it requires a substantial computer science coursework. The BA track is really designed for multidisciplinary students who are interested in the foundations of computer science, but want to apply it in a different field, for example, economics or biochemistry. Data analytics is also an interdisciplinary degree, and you can have 9 different specializations. One of them falls under our EECS program. Electrical engineering, we offer our general track and then 4 specializations: like computer engineering, power systems, microelectronics, and systems engineering. And then we also offer software engineering. Careers that our students are doing and alumni are doing are image processing, design controls, cyber security, smart power, really anything electronic, power-driven, software, hardware. Our students are in those fields, in those companies, and again, everywhere. Our mechanical and materials engineering program, what is MME? It's again an ever-evolving field where emerging technologies and sustainability concerns are creating a demand of students that are prepared to handle and solve problems in a variety of engineering industries and non-engineering industries as well. We offer 2 different degrees through our MME department. We offer material science and engineering and mechanical engineering. Careers, so our mechanical engineering is a very broad degree. Both of these degrees are very broad and very hands-on. In mechanical engineering, you're really learning the basic principles, but learning other foundations of engineering, such as civil engineering, electrical engineering, and some material science. In material science engineering, it's really an interdisciplinary field where you're focusing on improving and designing new materials to make the world a better place, and specifically understanding how processing of materials affects the structure of materials. So careers are really expansive with a degree from our MME department. If you're interested in aerospace, the automotive industry, nuclear engineering, construction engineering, manufacturing engineering, hardware engineer, program manager, again, the careers and industries are really endless for our students. It's a great degree, especially if you're maybe unsure of what you're wanting to do. This is a great way to get in and exposed to engineering and really have a rewarding and fulfilling career. Our School of Design and Construction, what is SDC? These programs are really at the intersection of design and the foundational principles of engineering and construction education. Our students are creating and designing solutions to improve the built environment around us. They are accredited programs, and they are architecture, construction management, interior design, and landscape architectures. Careers here really are vast and wide, from being an architect to a merchandiser to a town planner, interior designer, project manager, cost estimator. Remember that with our School of Design and Construction majors, to be admitted into the program, these programs are structured into 1 year of pre-professional coursework, and then the professional courses begin in the fall of your second academic year. So the School of Design and Construction reviews admissions on major applications once a year at the end of the spring semester. So you'll have one year into WSU, and then you will apply for the School of Design and Construction, the major that you are interested in. If you have any questions about getting the admittance into one of these programs, please email me and I will get you in contact with one of our SDC advisors. So some really important dates for you to remember and take note of. The WSU application is open. The priority deadline is January 31st, 2022. The FAFSA application is open, and priority deadline is strongly recommended by January 31st, 2022. Please note that when you complete the WSU application, you are also completing the general scholarship application. This is really important, especially if you intend to apply for the Dean's Scholarship. The sooner you apply, the better off you are. There's less stress on your shoulders. For our Washington State residents and applicants, please take note that the Washington application for state financial aid is open. Priority deadline is also January 31st. And the Washington State Opportunity Scholarship will open soon. Dates are not listed, but typically it opens early December, and priority deadline will be early February. So biggest date to remember is January 31st, 2022, but the sooner the better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you feel like BCEA might be the right fit for you. I really hope to see you at some of our in-person events, and really hope to see you in the future on campus as a COUG in the Voiland College of Engineering and Architecture. Thanks so much for your time. Please don't hesitate to send me an email. Again, my name is Lindsay Beat. I'm the Director of Recruiting, and you can reach me at lindsay.beat@wsu.edu. That's Lindsay, LINDSEY, Beat, BEAT @WSU. Looking forward to hearing from you. Even more excited to see you on campus. Go Cougs.